Amarillo 7 south-southeast 74. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hutchinson County, southern Hansford County, northwestern Roberts County, southwestern Nickeltree County, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pringle, or 19 miles southwest of Spearman, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Spearman, Stinnett, Morse, and Pringle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Hansford, Hutchinson, Nickeltree, and Roberts. The National Weather